So hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Divine Tarot and I am Deepa, and I'm here to check the energy of what exactly is going on or what your person is feeling currently. So let's check what is the overall energy. So firstly, I'm going to use my romance angels. Let's check what is the overall energy of the person or the divine masculine, or for whoever you are watching this video. So what is the overall energy of this person? So we have finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. So this is the overall energy. So this person is like questioning his finances, or could be he's in a very complex situation right now with his career. So, or could be he is accumulating money to give you something. So this is the overall energy. So I'm going to keep it right here. So let's check what is happening. So yeah, so we have the King of Swords, we have the Lovers, wow, we have the Three of Pentacles, again this matches the career, and we have the Two of Pentacles, a lot of pentacles right here. So this shows me that your person is currently dealing, could be he is in a very complex situation, or could be he is working in a place where he's not satisfied or not happy. Could be he has put in a lot of hard work, because Three of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles show me that this person has put in a lot of hard work, and as I said, this person is working for you. And I can see that this person also had a fight with somebody, because King of Swords is a very straightforward kind of standing up. So this guy stood up against something. So I'm going to use my soul's journey and let's clarify like what exactly is happening right here. Spirit, can you please clarify the King of Swords? So the called, the Lovers is clarified by fall into my arms. Wow. This guy wants to, as I said, let me move my cards a little bit up so that you guys can see. So this guy wants to sleep in your laps. And the Three of Pentacles is clarified by the bigger picture thinking. As I said, he wants to, like build a solid foundation so that you can walk in. This guy is working very hard, let me tell you that. And Two of Pentacles is your baby steps. So yeah. So firstly, as I said, the King of Swords. So this guy had a very huge epiphany. Oh god, it's a very tongue twister. So he had a very big realization, and every direction, like no matter how hard, could be this guy has learned a lesson in the very hard way. Yeah, you can see a lot of pentacles energy right now. So this is the energy of your person right now. So could be he's at a place where he doesn't want to work. Yeah, and he is working on his finances. Oh my god, how many pentacles are here? So King of Cups. So we have two kings here. So this guy is split into two things. So one is his career, and the other aspect of him is emotional support to you. This guy is manifesting you. Could be he is listening to sleep meditations, sleep manifestations, so that you walk into his life. He's doing it vigorously. You can see how this person is, and there is lot of water here. Could be your person is a Cancer, Scorpio, or a Pisces. Heavy King of Cups is a Cancer card. So yeah. So this person, no matter what he does, always the door leads back to you. No matter what he does. Yeah. And this guy, you can see how this woman is holding somebody in her laps. This guy wants to do this. He just wants to sleep in your laps and cry his heart out and tell you everything that has been going on. That is the current energy. This guy had to learn life the hard way. Could be he didn't see this before, that you were this gateway or doorway. Yeah, I didn't get a King of Pentacles here. So this guy is still working on his finances, but this guy came to a realization. There is lot of doors here. You can see this is also a gateway. So this guy is right now in this baby steps phase, but I think he will speed up. Yeah, this guy is sneaking from somebody. From somebody, this guy is sneaking. And this guy is taking baby steps because I got on top of this. So this guy is taking baby steps to walk away from some situation or from somebody, could be a karmic energy. Yeah. All paths lead to home. Didn't I tell you? No matter, this guy had to learn the hard way. The universe, and could be the ancestors of you guys as well. Could be your the man's, like, he could be very close with his grandfather or his grandmother. This person is having dreams which always lead back to you. This guy is daydreaming a lot. There is lot of water here, so could be this person has a lot of emotions for you. So this guy tried to find other women, tried to move on from you, tried to distance himself from you, tried to behave harshly with you, but nothing worked out. Everything leads back to you. The two, the lovers. Could be the energy here is very, very, very solid. So could be you're dealing with a soulmate or a twin flame, I'm sure. So yeah, free yourself. So this person is stuck right now. You can see how this horse is in a cage. This is how exactly your person is feeling. Like he's feeling that this divine masculine is feeling that he's stuck, like he's caged in every direction, and he's waiting. You can see this this unicorn. It's a unicorn. It's almost about to jump. So this guy is finding a solution, or could be he is very soon about to free himself. Yeah. Forge, don't follow. So this person was in some wrong influence. That is what this shows me right here. This person was in a wrong influence. He didn't he thought he was, like, you can see this person here. She's seeing this green part. This person thought that he's in a very, like, the grass wasn't greener on the other side. That's what is the exact example. This person thought that he is in a very good company. But this guy almost realized after good 2-3 years. He was in the dark for a very long time. You can see in this picture the darkness is more. So he was in the darkness for a very long time. He's realizing everything now, like one after one, one after one. The balls are hit at him to, I'm picturing a cricket game. Like continuously balls are hit. Like everything is happening at, for this guy all at once. Yeah. Page of Cups. This guy wants to talk to you very, very, very badly. This card is trying to... Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. I just said he wants to talk to you and I got the reconciliation card. So this guy wants to end the separation. So as I said, whatever is happening in his career, it is reminding him of you more and more and more. Because in his life, the only emotional support was you. Yeah, King of Wands. This guy has very high passion for you. This guy looks at your pictures and your videos a lot. Yeah, he is daydreaming of future with you. Yeah. I can see this necklace right here that has a triangle. This guy is, getting enlightened and he's having a spiritual awakening. You can see this to me is this horse card. Where is that? That horse card. I can see that, a link to this. Let me just show you. So you can see the grass right here, right? And this King of Wands also has this. So this guy is, that game wherein they hold a pole and they jump. So that's what I'm seeing this as. This guy wants to jump so badly and come to you. Something is halting. He likes how you're so independent. He sees, you are this greenery that he sees in this card. Wait, I'll just show you. This greenery is you. You are this independent soul that is doing so much. Could be you are work for the society as well, because this is also, I'm seeing here as something to do with society. Could be you work, could be you do a lot of donations to NGOs or something like that. This is also because the the woman right here is on all white. Could be you're doing some service to the to the society. That's what this guy finds very good. Like all of his career, the guy is not at all happy in his career. Career is a disappointment for this guy. And this guy also knows that this guy had to learn that it is you the very hard way. Didn't I tell you? I told about hard way, and we got the hard work card, the 8 of Pentacles. So this guy had to learn the very hard way. So I told in my all of my readings that my 2 of Cups is my twin flames card. So I could be you're watching it, the people who are watching this could be in a twin flame thing, and this guy wants to spend time with you. I can picture this guy wanting to send a message, but he's not having the guts. This guy also came to a realization that he lacks courage. You can see this guy knows it. This guy knows it is you. This guy knows that it is you he wants to spend the rest of his life with. I didn't get a sun card here, but I can feel the sun energy right here. So this guy knows that you are that happiness that he can find, and nobody can give him that. Yeah, trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. So this is what this guy is lacking. He's lacking, that courage. He is thinking of every negative possible scenario which would go wrong. Or, if I do this, this will happen. If I do that, that will happen. This overthinking everything. The spirits are asking you to wait. Let's clarify this. What is wait here? Spirits, can you please clarify me what is wait here? Okay. The Queen of Wands. The King of Pentacles. Okay. So for some reason, I am feeling this is reversed. Right? Because Queen of Wands and King of Pentacles, we got 3 kings here. We got King of Swords, we got King of Cups and King of Pentacles, and we got a pair here, the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. So this is your divine counterpart, whoever you're dealing with. So this, I see it as reverse. This guy has waited too much time. It is ulta, like it's reverse. This guy waited for a overtime. Like this guy has all qualities, and he is in general a very confident person, but when it comes to you, he is very scared that he'll screw this up, or he will mess things up. Could be you both had some difference of opinion in the past, because there is clearly a separation here with the reconciliation. This guy is getting scared. For me, this card is in the reverse. Let's check more. Double mission. Light worker, star seed, serve the world by being you. So actually, this I see double mission. I see that, didn't I tell you, you both are here for a mission on this earth. You both could be to help universe and society. Okay, so it depends like what is the scenario, like how you want to help the society. For example, I'm a tarot card reader, so this is also a form of help, because it gives you clarity, it gives you the mental peace and the emotional support when you need it. So this is your true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. So it is for both of you, for you and for the person that you're asking this about. Yeah. Deep cellular healing. So this person is undergoing a spiritual awakening right now, and I can also see that he is almost there. I don't see him, like the wait was already done, because for me this card is in reverse. Yeah, so this guy is planning to gift you something. Could be he's accumulating money for that also. And when this guy had a source of plan, and he thought that like he found the route that he knew, like he felt that for lifetime this route is going to work out. But then you happened suddenly. Yeah, then you happened suddenly, like he got attracted to you. And as time passed on, your beauty and something to do with your smell, like could be you have a very good smell. When he comes near you, he feels that. So when you came in, things turned upside down, and this person was asked to make a call, because now the route that he is, he's not happy and he's dealing with somebody. Let's check on that person. Spirits, can you tell me what is happening with the karmic and this person? Page of Wands. Oh, this guy, a karmic can be a man or a woman, right? This karmic pressurizes this divine masculine a lot. Yeah. For some of you watching this, your karmic can be the divine masculine's younger sister. She pressurizes him a lot by telling him negative things. And whenever, for you, some of you, karmic can be a mother as well. Yeah, whenever divine masculine speaks to this person, he doesn't feel good. This guy is looking out for options to set his career, obviously, but that will happen only when you walk in. I said that and we got the 10 of Pentacles. Yeah. So this guy is not sleeping with the thoughts of you. I see that. In the night, it's a nightmare for this guy. He misses you a lot. He misses to hug you, to cuddle you. He is, missing you a lot. And Nine of Swords is a very depressing card. You can see how is this person. So let's pick some of the charms. Yeah, so I have my charmies right here. So guys, I'll keep doing, videos like this, 15-20 minutes videos, just to check in the energy update. So if you're on a headset, please, this volume may be too loud. Yeah. So let's check what is happening. Something to do with roses. Yeah, I also have unknowingly have my roses as well. So we have a rose. Could be this guy wants to gift you a rose. Yeah. And then we have angel wing. So this is, let me just focus. So yeah. So it is angel guided, like this. Could be spirits are speaking to this divine masculine, and every time spirits speak to him, he knows that the route to go is you. Yeah, I don't know, for some reason my camera is not focusing. So yeah. And the next one is, yeah, this is like a ghost. You can see if my camera focuses. Yeah, so this is like a ghost. Could be he is ghosting everybody, like all of his friends and everybody is just ghosting them. And the next one that I got is a doll. Could be some of you are a very good dancer. I'm picking up that this guy thinks you're like a doll. You're very cute, and could be he likes you in some dresses or something like that. So yeah. My camera is troubling me today. I give up. Okay, this is the doll, and he thinks you're a doll. You are could be you have a very good face. Yeah, I got twice doll. So he wants to tell you that he finds you extremely cute and very nice. Could be, you have these cute videos. Could be some of you are very active on social media and you make very good videos. And then I got a umbrella. So this is an umbrella. So he wants to protect you. He wants to, open his umbrella and protect you. And this is, what is this? So I see this as an angel chariot. So this guy is extremely, extremely in love with you. And we also have again angel. We have so many angel presence here. Could be this guy is like, he knows that this is divinely protected, and this guy also knows the importance of this relationship. In his lifetime he always searched for peace, and you are that peace. Like he finds peace and happiness in you. What is this? So I see this as, these two holes right here. I see this as divine counterparts, like your divine masculine and divine feminine, and you complete this chain. Yeah, let me pick few more. Yeah. So we have this lucky clover. He thinks you're his lucky charm. And we also have an autumn leaf, something to do with winter. Yeah, it's a palm tree. You can also, I saw that as an autumn leaf. So it's a palm tree. So summer and winter. both of the things are of importance. So I have a made in USA charm. So could be for some of you, like this guy visited US or he lives in US. Yeah. And this one I see as northwest, like I see this as directions. So could be every direction leads back to you. And we got the yin and the yang, so obviously that clarifies your twin flame journey card. And then I have this, I see this as a drum. Oh, I see this as a beer jug. So could be this guy likes to drink beer. Yeah, and he's having beer a lot in this this sadness zone. And then I got a heart. Obviously there is a lot of love for you, because I see him being king of swords. King of swords is he likes to talk to you. And I saw a king of cups, he's very emotionally attached to you. And I got a king of wands, so he's not only in love with you, but he's very passionately, even highly attracted to you. What is this? So this is, I see this as a bell actually, or a hat. Again, it shows a sign of a protection. And I see a lock here. So as I said, this guy is tied up somewhere, or something is stopping him from coming to you. But I can see that this guy is very courageous, because I got a king of wands. So if he wants, he can get himself out of here, out of the situation he is in. He can definitely. And then I got two direction cards. So both of you, like the divine masculine and divine feminine, like even for the divine feminine, every direction leads back to this divine masculine. So that is what I see. So yeah, let's just push this to the side. Spirit, please tell me like what is next. Okay, so this guy has some addiction issues which he's slowly overcoming. Could be he has a sex addiction, or he could be drug addicted. You can see how this devil is trying to puppet this person right here. So he's letting go of his addiction issues, or could be he has a alcohol addiction. Some addiction is right here, but he's slowly giving up that, because he has come to the realization that if he is in this old ways, something so pure as you cannot walk in. So he is getting rid of these addictions. Yeah, as I said, he is you can see how this person is right here. She is not tied here, but she's tied here. So he himself is feeling that he's tied, when in actuality he's not. If he comes in his power and he shows this courage, you can walk in. That's what this guy is slowly, spirits are trying to tell him that once you walk in, like once you stand up, this girl will walk in. Or to show the courage and to show send your message, because you are this guy's wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment. This guy is manifesting, he is asking the universe to give you so badly. Yeah, he don't want you to go anywhere. The thought of you moving on gives, this guy is not fine when he thinks of that. So yeah, I will keep doing these weekly videos. So what is the message, spirits, for the person, for the person watching this video? What is the advice you would like to give? So yeah, retreat. Yeah, so it's time to disconnect from the world. So this is the advice. Please figure out things. So yeah, just sit in calmness. You will get a idea or a clarity like what to do next. Or if you're a divine masculine watching this, please, you will get an idea. Show courage. And if you are in negative circle, please distance yourself. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please let me know, like, if you want to share anything in the comments section. I really love to read your guys' comments. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.